First news, our debate on Times Now this evening. Asaduddin Owaisi, Member of Parliament of the All India Majlis-e-Ittihad-e-Muslimin, going to do a tie-up with the TRS, which might do a tie-up with the BJP, but he has no problems with that. Ram Madhav of the RSS joining us on the News Hour tonight. And Abhishek Manu Singhvi of the Congress Party, which the BJP says has got its facts wrong. Siddharth Nath Singh of the BJP, thank you very much. Ram Madhav of the RSS, Asaduddin Owaisi and Abhishek Manu Singhvi. Ram Madhav, if Nathuram Godse was originally from the RSS, what's wrong? Admit it. He was originally from the RSS. The Congress Party says if Nathuram Godse was from the RSS, are you on the defensive? If Rahul Gandhi makes the same point, what are you defensive about?
No, what we are defensive about, all these things.
Oh, so you are defensive about it?
Before the courts, whether we are defensive or not, you will know in the courts. Had we been defensive, Mr. Arnab Goswami, we would not have gone to the Election Commission, we would not have gone to file a criminal case of defamation against Mr. Rahul Gandhi. I think you should know the meaning of the defense and taking offense to statements.
Well, you are probably defensive, which is why...
take these statements lying down.
No, very often, Mr. Ram Madhav,
yes,
Mr. Ram Madhav, Nathuram Godse.
Because the criminals, the mass murderers in the history, in the last 50 years of Indian history, the Congress Party leaders were the mass murderers. They committed mass murders.
No, but I am talking about Nathuram Godse. Keep it limited to Godse. Why are you straying?
They are accusing RSS members of killing Gandhi.
But you keep it focused on Godse.
You first learn. Times now should learn to run the proper tape. What Rahul Gandhi said at Bhiwandi was RSS people shot Gandhi dead.
No, I'll tell you what he said.
You should have run.
No, I'll tell you what he said.
You are running some old.
No, I'm not running. I am not running. I am not running the old thing.
I am telling you.
I am not running the old thing.
You are running a old tape.
I am not running an old tape, Mr. No, Mr. Ram Madhav, I am not running an old tape.
You are running a old tape.
I am not running an old tape.
Tape in Bhiwandi.
I am telling you what he said in Bhiwandi.
I am challenging you.
I am Mr. Ram Madhav, I am not running an old tape. First of all, I am not running an old tape. You are making an unfair accusation.
Arnab, run the tape. No, it's unfair. You are unfair because you are running an old tape and telling us that we are defensive.
Okay, so Mr. 1 second, Ram Madhav. One minute. I'll get the Congress to respond. I'll get Asaduddin Owaisi to come in and Siddharth also to come in. By the way,
no need. Let me tell you, Godse was not an RSS member. He came in for few.
Are you sure of that?
Sometime before 1930, 1930, he left RSS. And we do not condone his act. That we have
Mr. Ram Madhav, Mr. Ram Madhav, 1 minute. Mr. Madhav, 1 minute.
Old tape. You want to whitewash the sins of Congress Party.
Why should I want to whitewash the sins of anyone, please? Whether it's Congress, BJP, RSS, Aam Aadmi Party.
You show, Mr. Arnab, you show what Rahul said in Bhiwandi. Don't show an old tape.
So I'll tell you, 1 minute. Ram Madhav, first two things. Let two things right. I will tell you what he said in Bhiwandi, and let's get others in. Let's get Abhishek Manu Singhvi. In Bhiwandi...
Show that.
So Mr. Ram Madhav, allow me to complete...
Other channels had courage to show. You don't have courage to show that.
Mr. Ram Madhav, don't question this thing about courage. It's like water off a duck's back. I have enough courage to handle 20 such onslaughts from you.
You are showing something, that ideology.
The question is this. The question is this. Rahul Gandhi said.
Is whether.
Sir, yes. 1 minute. Sir, Rahul Gandhi said RSS people killed Gandhi ji, and today their people, that is the BJP, talk of him.
You have not showed that TV.
Sir,
You have not shown that on your channel. You show that.
I am telling you, this is what he said. What he said is that RSS people killed Gandhi ji. Now, Abhishek Manu Singhvi.
Yes.
Abhishek Manu Singhvi, are you hearing me? Abhishek Manu Singhvi.
I'm very bad audio, but now I can hear you. Please
Yeah. So Abhishek Manu Singhvi, straight on top of News Hour tonight, Ram Madhav throws a challenge at you. He says he's going to sue your party for criminal defamation, and I think he already has. And he says Rahul Gandhi does not know his facts because Nathuram Godse was never a member of the RSS at the time of the assassination, which is January 13th, 1948.
Can I respond, please?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Can I
because
respond?
anyway, Anyway, he's going to meet you in court, but go ahead.
First of all, I think Mr. Ram Madhav deserves to be congratulated for having achieved the remarkable feat of out-shouting and outperforming Arnab Goswami. Last 15 minutes I have seen him not allowing you to speak. So lesser mortals like me have no chance. Number two, I think should be kept at a very factual, simple debate. The facts are clear. Nathuram Godse was a RSS person at one time. Fact number one. Fact number two, there was a very clear charge that when he murdered Mahatma Gandhi, he was also RSS. But it was found on a pure technicality that there was not very clear proof about his actual subsisting, surviving membership of the RSS at the moment of the assassination. And it was found that the valid membership proof which they could find was only of the Hindu Mahasabha. That was the technicality on which the RSS got off, but certainly it did not take away from the fact that Nathuram Godse had been originally...
So Rahul Gandhi was wrong.
RSS. Hello, fact number three.
So Rahul Gandhi was wrong.
One sec, please, let me complete. Let's not make it a superficial debate. Fact number three.
No, so you concede Rahul Gandhi was wrong.
RSS was banned for being a communal organization. Fact number four. The BJP is the only party in the country which has a mega party and a mini party, a superset and a subset, a remote control officially at Nagpur and another political party here. No other party does that. Now, nobody is suggesting, and Rahul Gandhi has never said that the membership of Nathuram Godse was checked
you're
up
shifting
and
the
found to be that of
goalpost.
RSS in 1948.
You're shifting the
What
goalpost.
Rahul Gandhi has said is that the Vichardhara, the ideology was there of the RSS.
No, you're shifting the goalpost.
Itself was a manifestation of the RSS Vichardhara.
No, Vichardhara and all, please, Dr. Singhvi. Dr. Singhvi, 1 minute.
That's what he said.
Dr. Singhvi, I can crystal
And
clear.
the RSS remained banned for a while. For a long time.
Rahul Gandhi
the ban was lifted.
Rahul Gandhi said RSS people. By the way, may I pay you a compliment, Dr. Singhvi, tonight? It's a Monday. Let me be a little charitable to you and the Congress party, which may not continue for long through the week. That you have a wonderful gift. When you want to, you argue like a lawyer. And I tell you, please respond like a politician. Today, I asked you a question which I hoped you would answer as a lawyer, because you're going to meet the RSS in court, and you answered like a politician. Wonderful. I call this fleet-footedness of changing goalposts, Abhishek Manu Singhvi. You concede, therefore, that Rahul Gandhi was wrong when he said the RSS killed Gandhi. You concede that.
You are certainly entitled to your own formulation. I have said nothing of the sort. I think the whole world knows this history, which is 50 years old. This history is not new. From Guru Arnab, from Guru Golwarkar's bunch of thoughts, from the writings there, through the thinking of the RSS, the Vichardhara, through its manifestations in organizations like the Hindu Mahasabha, and through the crusade carried on in those days, that Mahatma Gandhi is anti-Hindu because he wanted inclusive, non-communal atmosphere for minorities in the country.
Right.
This is documented history. Let's not go into technicalities and semantics.
Well, I'll quote the commissions of inquiry.
Had it not been for the valid proof of membership of Nathuram Godse,
Arnab,
it would be caught.
Arnab, what we are hearing, or what have been the comments of Rahul Gandhi, well, condemning it outright, but let me say it's a prelude to Operation Polarization before 2014 elections. Let us also understand, Arnab, there was a TV interview which you conducted with Rahul Gandhi, and he very conveniently said, well, if you go back to 1984, I was too small to even comment because I was not there. Well, 1948 was too far away. How come he knows that history?
That's no argument. That is no argument.
That is the argument.
That is no argument.
So
the fact is that Gopal Godse.
That's the argument
Gopal
for
Godse.
political expediency
for
polarization.
One question.
Now let me come on the real argument.
One question before you come into it. One question before you come into it.
I'll give you the chance. I'll give you the chance. I'll give you the chance. Allow me to make my point. Arnab, so much has been spoken by Abhishek Manu Singhvi and rest of them. Let's also understand that in February 27, 1948, it was a letter written by Sardar Patel to Nehru, who had said ban RSS, and Sardar Patel writes that there is no shred of evidence against RSS. They are given a clean chit. And
Okay.
that is also
Here's a counter.
part of history and a reality.
Here's a counter. Here's a counter. And answer this. Don't dodge it. Even though he is believed to have quit the organization, it is a well-known fact. One, he was a member of the RSS. He
That's
was
right.
indoctrinated in the RSS. Secondly,
That's the point.
his own brother,
That's the point.
his own
That's the
brother
point.
Gopal Godse says in an interview to Frontline, you can pick up the archives, the exact date is January 28, 1994. He says, my brother did not leave the RSS. This is Gopal Godse, showing very clearly that the umbilical links.
Arnab, I will answer that.
Ram Madhav, this is what
No,
Gopal
I will
Godse
answer,
said.
Arnab. I have
Gopal
to
Godse said that.
Let
You
me
should
add
allow
one.
me to answer that.
No, why
Let me
are
add
you?
one comment.
Why are you?
Arnab,
Why are you disowning him now? You're
No,
disowning
nobody is
Godse.
disowning
Arnab,
anybody. Let me answer. Shall I
do
answer your
do
question?
you
Shall I
also
answer that
recall,
point?
Okay, so let the BJP answer first.
Okay.
Arnab, when Godse walked away from RSS, do you remember what he had said? He had said very, very clearly that RSS, and he used certain language which we will not use, and no Swamsevak will ever use, even after leaving. What he said was that this RSS is an organization which is run by eunuchs. The reason he used this word was because he felt the RSS is very soft on
Sir,
Gandhi
where-
and the ideology.
Sir,
which
where
he
do you
followed.
stand?
But yes,
Where do you stand? Where do you
where we
stand?
stand?
Siddharth,
Where
where do
we
you stand? Siddharth Singh, where do you stand?
Where-
You know, I'll tell you. You cannot just keep disowning Nathuram Godse and saying we have no links with him.
Arnab, let
not
me
a
allow.
question
of disowning.
You allow me to answer.
Ram Madhav, I'll give you one example.
Arnab, you allow me to answer.
I'll give you one example, then I'll go to Mr.
Yes,
Owaisi.
can I?
Just give me, let's get everyone
Can
in.
I?
I'll give you one example. The BJP, for
Can I
example, right
answer?
now is
Can I
lionizing Sardar Patel. One second. The BJP is lionizing Sardar Patel. Narendra Modi is building a statue 2 or 3 times the size of the Statue of Liberty dedicated to Sardar Patel. Sir, do you know what Sardar Patel wrote in 1948? Will you disown Sardar Patel also tonight on the news hour? Siddharth Nath Singh. Will you disown
Let-
Sardar Patel?
let me
I'll
take
tell you
your-
what Sardar
No,
Patel said.
I will
I'll
not
tell you what
disown-
Sardar Patel said if
I
you
will
have the
not
courage to
disown
listen.
Sardar Patel,
Arnab,
but I will
let me
remind
take
you.
the courage to listen.
But I'll
Please.
remind you what
You are
Sardar Patel
changing
had written to
goalposts.
Guruji.
Arnab,
No. Clearly you don't
What
have
he
the
had
courage
done
you
to
are
Guruji.
changing goalposts. You have accused Mr. Singhvi of changing goalposts. You are changing goalposts.
Sir, I am talking
You
of
are an
Mr.
expert in that.
Godse.
But let me tell you, you are certainly
Sir,
changing
but you
goalposts.
told me- you
have
told
raised
me I
the
don't
issue
have
of
the courage
Gopal
to
Gadse.
listen.
No,
Sir,
you
don't have the courage to
come on,
listen to what
come
I'm
on,
going
you
to
have
say.
raised you have raised the issue of Gopal Gadse. You allow us to answer that.
Sir,
Why are you going to Sardar Patel now?
I can quote
Let
what
me
Gopal
answer your
Godse
Gopal
said.
Gadse thing. I can tell you, Mr. Arnab, I pity the Congress lawyers. Today they have to hold the brief for their clients because their clients happen to be their political masters. But the sad part is they have to get the evidence from Gopal Gadse, not from Judge Atmaram, not from Justice Khosla, not from Justice J.C. Kapoor, who have investigated this case and concluded that RSS has.
So why are you why are you making a mountain of a molehill?
They were judicial officers. Now
you say-
Mr.
if
Arnab
you say-
Goswami and Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi has to go to Gopal Gadse. I am asking you,
if
will you
you-
agree with every statement of Gopal Gadse? Will you agree with every statement of Gopal
Will you
Gadse?
agree with
tell me.
every statement of
Will
Sardar
Mr.
Patel?
Singhvi accept every
Will you
statement
agree
of
with
Gopal
every
Gadse?
statement of
Yeah,
Sardar Patel? Will you?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, then hear
Sardar
me.
Patel. Yes.
Okay.
Are you ready? Are you ready
Fine.
to accept? Are you ready to accept every statement of Sardar Patel?
I am telling you
We
something
went
now.
and
Listen to
corrected.
me, Ram Madhav. Listen to me. You just said, and I asked you a question. Are you willing to accept every statement of Sardar Patel? You said absolutely. Now don't change your
Yes.
words.
Well,
Now
there-
I
there
will
is a
tell
question
you.
of-
No, one, Mr.
on,
Madhav,
there-
now listen to me.
Yes.
Now listen to me. On July 18th, 1948, in a letter to Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, after the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Patel wrote, as a result of the activities of these two bodies, the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh and the Hindu Mahasabha, particularly the former, which is the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, an atmosphere was created in the country in which a ghastly tragedy became possible. There is no doubt in my mind that the extreme section of the Hindu Mahasabha was involved in the conspiracy. The activities of the RSS constituted a clear threat to the existence of the government and the state. This is his correspondence as per Navjivan. You said you will accept everything that Sardar Patel said. Give me an answer tonight. Sardar Patel blamed the RSS. Or will you disown Sardar Patel also?
Arnab, this question, Arnab, you raised this question 2 months ago in the same show with me. You are asking, you are quoting the same paragraph.
I'm sorry,
which you
this
quoted
is
2 months ago. At that time, I told you, Arnab, I told you in 1949, same Sardar Patel called the RSS people patriots. He asked RSS people to come and strengthen his hands in the Congress party. He invited us to join Congress. Do you know that? Read
of course, everyone knows he invited you to join the Congress.
Read. And I am telling you, read Gopal Godse fully. Read Gopal Godse fully. I asked Mr.
Yes,
Singhvi
Dr. Singhvi.
the entire Gopal Godse literature to the court. When we invite him to court, let him bring entire Gopal
Dr. Singhvi's counter. Dr. Singhvi.
Arnab, I don't see how we can debate so much after 50 years on facts which are historical. I think none of us can change basic
now
facts.
You're running away?
The fact number one is that Mr. Nathuram Godse and a large number of his compatriots and associates were born, brought up, patterned, grew up, lived, breathed, acted the RSS philosophy and were direct members. It is true that beyond reasonable doubt, because murder requires legal proof beyond reasonable doubt, at the time of murder, his membership card with the RSS was not proved. It was equally proved that he was a member of a fanatic wing,
a party,
nothing but a sub-wing of the RSS,
and tell me,
time, a Hindu Mahasabha, and the entire atmospherics in the country, just half a minute, in the country at that time were created by the RSS, that here is a Mahatma who is anti-Hindu. And those inflammatory, provocative atmospherics ultimately led a fanatic like Godse, though he was...
Anyway, that's not what Rahul Gandhi said. That's not what Rahul Gandhi said.
Now,
Rahul Gandhi didn't put it in the way that you put it. That's not what Rahul Gandhi said. That's not what he said.
With this kind of arguments, Mr. Singhvi will send his leader to jail.
My question,
with this kind of statements.
My question to Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi. My question to Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi is this. Asaduddin Owaisi, what's the relevance of this? This country, people want jobs. We want the economy to be back on track. We want a sense of security. We want a firm foreign policy. Right? We want women to be secure. We don't want polarization of the kind that benefits the Congress and the BJP. I'm sorry, Mr. Owaisi, but do you feel this is relevant at all? And if you feel it is relevant, then tomorrow somebody will rake up, and don't mind it, somebody will rake up your party's links with the Razakars. Somebody will say that the Majlis-e-Ittihad-e-Muslimin was established in 1927 as a pro-Nizam party. Somebody will go back into the background and foreground, not talk about the present, but go back 60 or 70 years. So in that context, do you really feel what the Congress party is doing, this whole Godse card, is relevant at all? Your response to the RSS, Mr. Owaisi.
Now, why should we go back to history?
Goswami,
his party, even to this day, his party, even to this day,
let
in
him
assembly,
speak.
his leaders stand up and say, his leaders stand up and say that Nizam was a great ruler. His party stands up and
now
says
let him
that
speak.
They were inheritors of Nizam's rule.
He heard you. Let him speak now. Let him counter you, and then he can come back. Yes, Mr. Owaisi.
Mr. Ram Madhav, have a glass of water. You might lose your voice with the points which I'm going to raise. I was born in free India.
Me, worry about yourself.
I would love to have... No, I'm not worried. Don't worry. You're a Samsevak. Have some patience. You know, your morning exercise are not helping you. Now, listen to what I have to say. It is to both the Swayamsevaks over there and to Congress spokesperson. I am ready for a debate on Razakar. I was born in a free India. Now, the topic which we are discussing, Mr. Arnab Goswami, you have rightly quoted the Frontline interview. I would like to quote the RSS mouthpiece organizer of January 11, 1970. Mr. K.R. Malkani said that Gandhiji was killed. Why? Because he fasted in support of Nehru's pro-Pakistan, and that is why in the process the people wrath was turned again on himself. So is RSS saying that Nathuram Godse represented the people and the murder he perpetrated was an expression of people's wrath? Secondly, discussing the issue of father of nation will always be relevant. Till this world remains, we have the right to discuss about assassination of our father of nation.